They eventually got married and they started living in peace, enjoying and always having fun together. One morning, Emeka went to get palm wine from the palm tree. While he was trying to come down, he fell and broke his legs. This affected his business and he could no longer take care of Nneka because he has no means of income again. Nneka got fed up. One day, Nneka packed her bags and abandoned her husband Emeka. The news of Nneka leaving Emeka spread all round the village. Ulaku was a maiden who admired Emeka before he got married to Nneka. Ulaku started taking care of Emeka